Hi guys, CAT admit card is out and I've come with 23 instructions which you have to check out. So number one thing to note is that you cannot change the centers. That's the first thing student asking me whether I can change the center. It's clearly written on the admit card, center cannot be changed now. Alright, let's check out all the list of do's and don't and the item which are probability during the exam. Hi guys, in this video we look at what are the things which are allowed and which are not allowed in the CAT exam so that accordingly we can be prepared. Yeah, so number one you have to please check out the location on Google Map. यार एक बार देख के जाना center है कहाँ पे आपका. So number 1.8 is the printout. You have to take a A4 size printer on laser printout. Yeah, which is normal printer. These days almost all the printers are laser only. And photo have to be there. You don't need to have a color printout. Normal black and white printout will do. Photo have to be same. Now that's a major instruction here. Photo have to be same which was there in your admit card. Now for example I put up the photo जो मेरे पास होती है मेरे को चल जाता है. So they don't stop you, but एक बार करना है तो करके रखो. In fact this is common for all the exams. एक बार just take up 20 photos. You know that they normally you go to photocopy shop, they can do it now. 20 photos for 30 rupees. Do that. So next instruction here is must carry the original photo ID. Now this is please check out which photo IDs are valid here. PAN card, driving license, voter, passport, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar card, ration card. College ID card is not valid. Earlier college ID card was also valid. Now you need to have a passport or Aadhaar card. Next instruction here is the center timing. Please note the timing. For example, this slot for this guy is 11 p.m. reporting time, but exam is 12:30 to 2:30. 12:30 not reporting time. That's the exam time. Reporting time is 11:30. Public think that is the gate will close at 12:15. So you have a window of 1 hour 15 minutes to come. So don't need to come at 11 o'clock. You can come at 12 also, 11:45 also you can reach, no problem. But don't come at 12:30 and expect to give the exam. Okay, try to be on time. Try to be before 12. Especially for those who are traveling for longer distances, they have to report on time. Next instruction, all the candidates are permitted for the center. Not allowed to go out of center before the exam, which is common everywhere. Candidates are advised to locate the center. यार ये एक बार करके जाओ यार. मुंबई फॉर एग्जाम्पल ठाकुर कॉलेज, ठाकुर विलेज एंड ठाकुर कॉलेज, दे आर टू ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स, दे आर टू कॉलेजेस which are 2 kilometers apart. Both have same name and both are the CAT center. Yeah, so check out which center you are in. So Google Map पे देख के जाओ. You are in the east or west of the highway. Alright. Next is candidate have to bring their own mask, gloves, hand sanitizers 50 ml and a transparent water bottle. Earlier they used to give the water now and pen. Now you have to carry your own pen because the virus can spread via pen. So to carry your own pen. So basically no contact with other person. So you have to buy gloves in case you don't have. Writing pad will be provided to you which have to be returned. So they will give you a writing pad. Yeah, from last couple of years CAT what they're doing, they're giving you a stapled writing complete pad with around 10 pages. So which is more than sufficient for your CAT preparation. Yeah, so that is no problem at all. Mobile phone, electronic gadgets, watches, calculators, stationery items are not allowed. Only pen is allowed, nothing else is allowed. Please note that. Shoes with thick soles are not allowed. Candidate attempting to appear the exam twice would be disqualified. Make their own travel arrangement, that's okay. Admit card provided subject to the condition that you are eligible for that. Please check out your eligibility. You are PhD holder, all those things. They're going to check your eligibility there. So again, that's a very common thing. That's very understandable thing. Respect for change of center will not be entertained. Please note, any request for change of center will not be entertained by them. And there are further 10 instructions regarding the COVID as well. So have to maintain the social distances, wearing a glove, mask, glove and personal sanitizer. Have to sign the declaration, temperature will be checked, have symptom, anybody having symptom will be isolated. Mapping of the admit card numbers used to happen outside, now will be happening inside. That's not a main issue for students. Need to follow the direction given the CAT center representative. They'll tell you the direction. At the registration desk, will be directed to sanitize the hand. That's okay. Will be CCTV camera. Required to report the center strictly as a time mentioned. Okay, these are the 10 instructions which is given for the COVID-19, page number 2. Now what I believe, this page number 2 they're going to retain because there's a self-declaration form with that. This you have to submit on the exam day. So when you take a printout of the admit card, there are 2 pages, page number 1 and page number 2. Page number 1, they will keep, page number 2, they will keep and page number 1 will be returned to you. Yeah, so page number 1 will be returned to you and page number 2 they will keep. Alright, all the best.